Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install Dispatch on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So we're going to head over to apps. Just click on it and then down over to search apps and games. Here we're going to type in Dispatch. So I'm typing in Dispatch. Dispatch is a launcher. It's going to change the game entirely on Chromecast. You know what I'm saying? So I have a suggestion there. I'm just going to use it and search for Dispatch. Right there, you find the Dispatch app. So click on it once and you have the install button. So Dispatch is a new launcher for Android TV, integrates with your existing media, and you can even bring Plex up so you can find all your Plex shows right there on Dispatch. So click on install. Give this a second. It's going to pend. After some time, it's going to begin the download. Now when the download completes, this is going to automatically install. The reason being, you are actually downloading from the integrated Play Store app on Chromecast. So Chromecast is integrated. All you need to do is install the app and it's going to download and install the app automatically, and you find the app ready and available right there on your dashboard. So the app is completely downloaded. I'll give this a second to install, and when it's done, you can access the app. Now, I hope you're getting value from this tutorial. I hope you're having your expectations met, seeing how to download and install Dispatch. So if you have been successful to download and install it just like you have seen on the screen, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. DaveTech signing out.